Many of you might be thinking of finding a new space for yourself and your family once this pandemic tension ends. But why wait for the pandemic to end when you can zero in on your new home right from the comfort of your current houses? And that's exactly what we will deal with in today's episode. Quick tips on buying properties during COVID. Locked up inside our homes, we have realized a lot of things about the space that we live in. A lot of thoughts in all our minds, isn't it? Maybe the house is a bit smaller for a family of 5. The kids might have preferred some open space to play. It would have been nice if you had a bigger balcony so that you could grow more plants. There are no good hospitals nearby. And the thought continues. Hello, I'm Priyanka Rachaya and I welcome you to today's episode of Property Matters. Buying a new home for many of us meant visiting the site, talking to neighbors, checking out the facilities and social infrastructure all by ourselves. Unfortunately, that isn't possible anymore. But don't you worry, I will tell you the quick methods on how you can find the best of the properties right from the convenience of your home. There are many good online websites that list down properties available in a particular area. Right from the price range to pictures and availability of basic and social infrastructure, they provide ample information. Be it an apartment or a plotted development, make sure you visit the RERA and the local planning authority websites. Check out the list of approved projects in that particular area and confirm that the property of your interest is legal. Many builders and property owners are showcasing their properties with the help of virtual tours and augmented realities. Ask for it and check out the property virtually. Building design, floor plan and other aspects of the property can be analyzed via the virtual route. There are many consumer forum groups on the internet. Be a part of any such groups, discuss your ideas and put forth your questions. Chances are that you will bump into genuine consumers who can give you a lot of information pertaining to the property, credibility of the developer and the pros and cons of choosing to live there. Visit websites of various banks and check availability of loans, its conditions, rate of interest, tenure and other aspects. Compare and contrast the benefits offered by each of the banks and choose the one that suits your requirement. Further, you can ask the banks for a telephonic conversation or a video call and understand more about the credit offer. Many legal firms are offering online legal consultation services. Make use of it. Check for the legality of the property papers and the viability of buying it. So online searches, virtual tours, augmented realities, visiting authority websites, net-enabled bank and legal consultations, and online network of consumer forums seem to be the go-to options to figure out the best deal for yourself and your family. All said and done, be aware of the online loopholes that exist. Online mode must just be your aid in property search up to a certain level. Beyond that, finalization of the deal must be made after physically scrutinizing the sustainability of the structure. Online search saves your time and resources, cutting down on unnecessary travel and site visits. Finally, your offline visit will be limited to 1 or 2 shortlisted properties. Do like and share our video in case you found it useful. Subscribe to MBTV and follow me on Twitter for more such information. This is Priyanka Rachaya signing off with camera person Pragat.
Please subscribe to Magic Bricks on YouTube and press the bell icon to get new videos.